This is another demonstration of VICA 42i. This is the version that I posted, I believe, 8/19/2018 at 10:06 a.m. I'm running it from the data's in the directory where the program was. So I'll take 2 and then our favorite file 16123.115. Now you can save it with the same name or a different name. The problem at hand is about a different name. Well, I had a 118, but I deleted it for this demonstration. So we'll try 16. Whoop, hello. We'll try 16123.118. Now this is a new file. Maybe you had one existing, but that still doesn't duplicate the problem. Saves fine. We'll try it with a file already there. Now the file is there. 10:28 this morning. Where's my exe? (118). Everything's fine. Save it. I can save it with the same name. I think I've shown that. Save A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And it writes out the files fine. So I cannot duplicate your problems, Diane. Please make sure you've downloaded this from my Dropbox because I put it out there, I think, Saturday morning.